Hi, my name is Brett Romero and welcome to Projects in iOS by Edgeonics. In this course, we're going to create a financial app. It's a profit and loss app. And what it's going to do is basically allow you to enter in a debit or a credit, and it's going to keep track of that balance, whether it be positive or negative. Now on the home screen, we're going to display the balance, the debits, and the credits. And what you're going to learn in this app is how to work with charts. So we're going to integrate a third-party library. We'll see how to do that, where to get it, and how to create these charts. So the charts data is going to come off of the transactions we enter. So as we go from debit to credit, positive to negative, then all of that will be reflected in the chart. There's going to be 3 scenes in the application. There's going to be an overview scene with the charting, with the overall balance. There's going to be an add scene to enter in transactions. There's also going to be a transaction scene, and that's going to be a table view. We're going to create a manager to help move the data around, keep track of our balances, sorting of this information as well. So let's go ahead and jump into the course.